how has the mindset of buyers changed?
I think after COVID, a lot of changes have happened in real estate, like all other industry. I think today's market is more about driven by the end user than the investors. What was 5 years back, the different scenario, people is look at a lot of investment, but as the COVID has taken as a and make us understand that what is the need of the home for each and every individual. So everybody is trying to buy a home today. That has been a great thing. Other than that, the markets have been going great across India, across pan India. So I think people understand the need of the home today. And we have many developers come from across India for different cities who are trying to grow the business, trying to get more and more professionalism into industry, more inventory, more good location, and definitely that's gonna boosting up the whole industry.